My name is David Kurtz. I live in Lower Heidelberg Township in Berks County, Pennsylvania. We bought this house about 8 years ago when we moved back to Pennsylvania from California and found that the bottom part of our door jambs were rotting out. So we had it patched up again then, but it rotted out again. So my wife wanted to replace the whole front door. We looked at doing it back in 2020, but COVID was going on, so we came out, got it this time. I went out and Googled a bunch of different companies looking for a company that did front door replacement. Set up a number of appointments, set up one with Joyland with Mike Stolfus that came out to meet with myself and my wife. He did measurements of everything. He did a mock-up on the computer for us to show us what the door would look like. And eventually the Joyland sales department sent me the quote and I made a decision. It was the best quote that we got together and chose Joyland. Mike came to the house. We sat down with my wife and decided to look at different options, what we wanted to do, because our old door just had a center glass piece in it. We wanted something a little bit bigger. We weren't replacing the transit, so that was a big issue because the transit is different size of the door opening. So Mike worked with us and found the right choices for us to do and how it would come out great, and it did. The communications between then and when the door came in and everything was great, on, perfect, everything. And the team that came out to install was great. I mean, if you take out their lunch break in there, they did it in probably less than 5 hours. Removing and replacing the whole door and the side lights. Just how fast they did it. How fast they did it. And they cleaned up everything. They vacuumed my front porch up and everything else from any debris that was left. They installed my Ring doorbell for me, which was a great option where I wanted it to, which just worked out great. I would recommend them to anybody. I mean, they were a pleasure to work with, and we are very pleased with the final results.